Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create poll in Messenger. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to create a poll in Messenger here, well, there are a few things that we need to do here. Now, first things first is you want to make sure that Messenger is fully updated. So in this case, you want to open up or visit Play Store here and search for Messenger and see if there are any updates. But once you've done that, let's go open up Messenger here and you want to access a group chat. Now, the thing with polls inside Messenger is you can only create this inside group chats. So if you want to create a poll inside a chat with just one person, you won't be able to do that. So at least like 3 people should be in a group chat. But yeah, so in this case, let's go access one group chat here. Now, in order for you to create a poll, you want to go and click on the plus button that you see at the bottom left of your screen. And from here, choose poll. Now, from here, you could basically add your question. Like, for example, what's your favorite color? Now, in this case, let's go and click on add option. Let's just say red. Now, as you can see, add option should be added as well again. So let's go and click on it. Let's just say it is going to be yellow. And this one's going to be orange. Now, once you've added all the options that you want to add in here, you can go and click on create poll. And your poll should now be created. Now, the thing with this one is you should be able to vote for it for yourself. As you can see right now, you can vote on it. You can you can also add options if you want to, but that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.